Yan. Yay, nakagawas. Wala. Nakawala ang buwang. Nakawala. So guys, pipishing tayo trout dito sa trout pan ng Dixon. So ito yung setup ko. Yan. Ito yung pabigat, mahusog. Tapos ito yung leader ko, line. Yung main line ko, ito yung main line ito. Yan. Braided na 15 pounds from Dollarama. Alright. Tapos ito yung leader, ganun kahaba. Yan. Yung hook ko, sobrang liit. Tapos gamit natin rainbow. Yan, power bait rainbow. Yan. So bibilugin natin yan mamaya dun. Tara, let's go. Ngayon, bibilugin natin maliit. Maliit lang na bilog. Yan, bilog. Yan. Lagyan natin sa hook. Yan. So, ito pala ganito pala yung size ng hook guys. Ito. Yan, ganyan yung yan, makita nyo ba? Yan, size 8. Yan, maliit lang. Yan. Ibang kulay lang to. Yan. Tapos bilugin natin, ipasok, yan, tapos i-oblong konti, right, yan lang. So yan na yun, leather, tapos ito yung pabigat ko. Yan, so let's go. Kita nyo. So guys, lumipat tayo guys kasi mahangin dun eh. Hindi ko makikita yung tansi ko. So dito tayo ulit sa kabilang side ng pond. Sana makahuli tayo dito. Saka mahirap magsalita doon kasi nandun si tatay eh. Baka ayaw niya ng maingay. So ayun, umalis na pala rin si tatay eh. Ganda yung pwesto na yun eh. Lagi akong nakakahuli dun eh. Sa area na yun. Fish on din sa wakas. Fish on din si Dudong. Ayan. Huli ka rin. Ayan o. Not bad na, di ba? Tinatawag na secret lang. Secret weapon. Alright. Ay, not bad na. Good size. Yeah. Op. Kang magalaw boy. Baka natin. Oh. It's good size na, good size. Oops, ay kalihok. Ay, liit. Maliit man. Maliit. Maliit. Maliit boy. Maliit. Balik natin maliit eh. Maliit doon. Yan, maliit. Ip. Yeah, oops, careful. Keep moving. Okay, let's go. There we go. Bye.
A few moments later.
So yan, kuya. Tsaka hop. Fish on. Ah, di ba? Dito ka na. Ay. Grabe oh, lunok na naman oh. Kunin mo yung plastic bag mo doon kaya para makita tayo hiwalay ba. Gusto mong bumato rito? Sige. Hindi, wag mo muna yung bato kasi baka mahulihan ka. Hindi mo mabantayan. Katulad sa akin kanina, di ba? Dito ka kuya. Ano pangalan mo kuya? Edwin. Albert. Wala na? Dito ka, bato ka dyan para yun. Pasan mo. Kung mahiya, ibato. Fire. Hindi, maluwag eh. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yun. Kulang pa. Yan. Yes. Okay, yan, taas. Oh.
First catch, pre. Picture dali. First catch.
Nice. May huli na si kuya.
Oh. Go. Pas mo. Pas mo.
Nagbuhol. Hey, keep rolling. Keep tighting. Good job, baby.
Got it.
Yeah. Got it? No, don't go down because slippery. Steady. Just steady.
Where is it? Right there.
There you go. Ooh, wait. Don't let pike. That's pike.
That's pike?
Yeah.
You have to
Wait.
let
No, you can take it if you want.
go. Should I take that? Take it in?
Yeah, bring it up. Okay, hold it. Yeah, let's go. Go. Bring it in. Nice, baby. Nice. You allowed to take one pike?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Per person, right?
Huh?
Per person?
Yeah. There you go.
Do I hold this one?
Okay. You have gloves, right? Use the gloves because that's.
You have pliers?
Yeah, I have pliers. Huh?
How do I do this one?
Okay, I'm gonna get my gloves. Just give me a second.
Told you, what did I say, guys?
Just give me No, here, eh? Yeah, so close, right? Close.
Very close.
So you wanna take this? Take this?
How do I do it?
No, you're gonna take the fish or what?
I think so. Is it size? Is it good size?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll take it. This is good?
Yeah. My gloves is like all right.
Wait, one pike, right?
Yeah, one.
I think this is the biggest we'll catch.
Yeah.
Most likely.
Hold here. You have gloves. Ah, shit.
Wait, you cut yourself?
No, my gloves is all right.
Here, you want mine?
No, it's okay. I just. See?
Yikes. Is this spiky? Here, take this one.
Okay, I'm gonna hold it. Take off the hook. Yeah,
Where is it?
yeah. Careful, don't bend it. Yeah. Okay, go. Yeah. There you go.
Where do I hold it up? Hold it up.
Yeah. Careful.
Where do I hold it?
Hold it. Yeah. Take a picture and send to your dad. Okay. Go.
No, take a picture of me.
Go.
Yo, my phone's ringing, bro. Alright, yo, that's the thing. You're taking all this?
Wait.
Or do you have the hook to hold it in the water?
Yeah.